Who versus whom? Which one should you use? Hi everyone! Ever get confused between who and whom? Here is an easy trick. If you can use he or she in your answers, then you should use who. Perfect. If you can use him or her in your answers, then you must use whom. Now, let's see this in action with quick examples. The first example, number 1. Is calling me. Who or whom? Perfect. It's who. Why? Because you could say he's calling me. You could use he. Number 2. Did you invite? Who or whom? Bravo. It's whom. Because you could say you invited him. You could use him or her in your answers. Number 3. Won the game. Who or whom? Excellent. That's who. Why? Because you could say he won the game. You could use he or she in your answers. Number 4. Should I address this letter? Who or whom? Very good. Use whom. Because you could say address it to him, or you could say address it to her. You could use her or him in your answers. Now it's your turn. Number 5. Is going to the party. Who or whom? Please share your answers in the comments below. That's it. I hope this clears up the confusion between who and whom. If you found this video helpful, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave your own sentences in the comments below. I'd love to see how you use who and whom.